Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. Now this is new Instagram 2022 update. Now you can see the liked posts, the posts you liked. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go here to the right upper hand icon here. And here we can go to your activity. And once we're on your activity, we can go to interactions here. And here we can go comments, likes, story replies, reviews. We can click on likes. And here, as you can see, there's newest to oldest liked photos, right? Or posts that we liked. So this is basically how you can see all the posts, that you liked on Instagram, right? So that you liked, not anyone else, right? And yeah, this is pretty much how you can see it. It's really, really simple. Again, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. But yeah, this is how to see liked posts on Instagram in 2022 from new Instagram update in 2022. Thank you.